Okay, let's go. All right, guys, trade with Crazy version 10.4, a review of day chart trading. Now, yesterday was Super Tuesday, but I was super tight. My schedule was back to back, so I didn't have time to do the Super Tuesday. Then I think that a lot of people also not free in the afternoon, so I'm going to share with you what I want to share on day chart trading, and I want you to take a look here, and so that you guys can perform and make money from the market. All right. So let's go into it right now. Okay, so day chart trading is a very simple, it's for people who are really very busy and they want to put a trade in and don't care and don't bother. But the thing is this, you also need to know that if you want to do that data trading itself, you need to have an entry price and a stop loss price, and that is very, very important. So let me just bring to you an example of gold recently and how you can trade the day chart, yeah? Okay, let's go. So first of all, day chart trading, the main thing is this: you don't fight with the trend. And when you say fight the trend itself, right, how do we know that the trend is bull or bear? Very, very simple. I give you a very easy way to look at this. Is that all you need to do is look out for the KCX, okay, that is at the bottom blinking, all right? So in short itself, once you see that, okay, this is set A. Now you look up on our screen, all these are red bars, right? So these are all the downtrend candlesticks. Then you notice that there is a yellow candle here itself, right now, okay? So that is the set A, this whole entire A, the sweet spot to buy. Agree? Okay. So now you look at the right side, which is set B here, okay? And you look at it itself, right? You look at the thing, the yellow bar here. Okay, so this is the next yellow bar you should buy. So now between set A and set B, do you notice that the low here itself, this X example, and this is the lowest point, this Y example, you notice that Y low is higher than X low. Or in short itself, right? Y, the low itself, is higher than X. Do you see that? Can you see that? If yes, put the word yes. Right? If you know, then let me know. Okay, I'll tell you what again. Well, it's very important, yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. So the thing is this. This is a very easy way to tell you that the market is bullish. So let's just look at it again and we push the chart backward. Okay, push it all the way like this. Okay, like that. So that means that at this junction here, if you're seeing the chart at this point now, you will ask yourself, this one like consolidation, this one like, wow, going up too much already, I think it will fall. This is a very typical way the chart, this will draw. But for me itself, right, in my own way, when I see that the extremity hits, okay, I will just look at the low point of the interchange of the coloration of the R and Y, and I notice that X and Y shows me that a divergence, or we can say it as the Y is higher than X. So I know that if the market is a buy here itself, it will definitely be able to go up and hit those technical points, because that means that those who short in the market, right, will be badly hit. So you can see what happened next itself, right? The market really did it. So that means that when I was buying here, example, my first target will be here, right? Because that is where a lot of people they put their stop loss here, or they put a stop loss here. So you can see that the market really goes for that. Sorry, my freehand drawing are very bad. Yeah, it flies around, but the point you can understand. Yeah. Okay, so with this concept, right, you can see now when I see the KCX over here. Now, of course, you say, Kel, but this one got no KCX lay. This one, wow, the market almost hit midway recover. So that is even more bullish. So when the market hit the midpoint and then recover, right, I mean from blue turns to no blue, I look at the low here itself compared to the low here. So if this low is X, this is Y, then this is Z, then that means that once the CCRY kicks in again, it's a buy. Can you see that? So of course you say, Kel, this on hindsight, ma. That's what you say right now. No. It's not hindsight. It's just about you saw what I saw. So a lot of people recently, right, when they use my indicator, they added this into the indicator, which is the oscillator like RSI. Yeah, I'll show you what is happening here, and that causes some people to lose money, even though we are making money. So what happened is this. Everyone take a look here. Okay, so this is the X, this is Y, all right, and this is actually Z. Okay, so what happened was that, okay, when the Z came into the picture at about 2,868 after the call, the gold started to move up again, And then a lot of people using the common indicators, they start to sell the gold. And when RSI hits the highest point, they sell more gold. When RSI go higher, they sell more gold. Oh my God, a lot of people got caught selling gold between 2,850 to 2,980. Yes, a lot of people call me up on the phone and tell me, Kel, I'm stuck in the gold. I said, why? I thought you'd be buying. Yeah, lah, but I shorted the gold. I said, why you short the gold? Because the RSI says very high. Oh gosh. I mean, this is not the way to fight a bull. In a bull market itself, the market can be more bullish than you can even think of. And those people who short the gold market will definitely be covering back with more buy later. So that's the reason why we don't fight the market. And again, I repeat, we don't use oscillator like this. I know that it's a thing that people use for years and years, but let me ask you a very simple question. If this RSI really can work, why is it for free? Number two, if it's so powerful, why is it available for free in indicators, any platform? And the craziest thing is this, we all know that you will win sometime, but you lose back everything later because that's how it works. So you see, when the RSI indicator give a buy or a sell, which is perfect, later on when the market is trending, the oscillator will break. And that is how the boys make the money off you. So they let you make money first, then after that kill you. And this is something that I've been observing for so many years. And then that's the reason why I say no way. That's why I am an indicator trader. I trade indicators a lot, guys. You can think of any indicators. It's not too new for me. If not, I will use them all before. So now the same concept here itself, right? Let's look at the Dow Jones, shall we? Take a look at Dow Jones. Okay. So if you learn this from me, then what can you learn from here? All right. So let's look at the nearest movement here. Yeah. What do you see? Can you see something here now? This is a set A. We now look from right to left. Yeah. Set A. The nearest one, set B. Can you see that? Okay. So same thing. Now, can you tell me that this low and this low, all right, this X and this Y, what's the difference? What's the difference? Well, you notice that? You notice that Y this time round is lower than X. So is the market bullish or bearish? Please key your answer right now inside the comment box. Well, Andrew is very fast until that the word went wrong. Okay, all right, but I get you, Andrew. There's a joke here yourself. No worry. Yeah. All right. So indeed, it's actually bearish. Interesting. Interesting, right? I mean, no one teaches this way. And I know that by sharing this itself, I'm going to get a lot of people asking me a lot of questions again and blah, blah, blah. I'm not trying to say anything here, but just to inform you that when it's bearish, when the market starts to come down, the selling will be torrid. You got it. Okay. So when will it turn bullish? Very simple already. I tell you what happened. If the market now recover and then go down again and recover again, and you have the same KCX again blinking, but this time round, okay, your A is here, your B is here. Then you have a very bull market. So from bear market turn to bull market. Understand? That's how it works. So for day chart trading itself, right? You can just use this to play around. Just use the low. Yeah, don't use the high. High is not accurate. The low is accurate. And then you just play around with it. All right. So if you look at one more card, you can look at anything right now. Now is my favorite thing. It's called crude oil, right? Take a look, my friends. Take a look at crude oil. Okay. This is crude oil, yeah? Okay. So crude oil, you can see it has many KCX, right? Okay. And this is a blinking here. So it's over here. Then the next one on individual here. So it's actually here. So the crude oil is still actually on the bearish note. So by right, it should be very bearish. But then again, I saw the double diamond. And I saw that if I put double diamond, I draw my line, I can buy here itself. So when I buy crude oil here, I was still bearish and I only bought a little bit. But the market go up, right? So beautifully. So watch out, my friends. If crude oil do pull back the next time, all right, and the KCX blinks, and if this time around the low is higher, which is like, this is A and this is B, and you can see very clearly A is higher than B, oh gosh, this is the start of the bull already. This is the start of the bull market. And this is whereby you should really get involved, and then you go for the kill. Now, I will do a MAO probably tomorrow on this, and you will see that why am I believing that crude oil will go to $80 very soon. So $80 on crude oil itself, right, will also means that the Dow Jones may also be going up, because the Dow and the crude oil have very interesting direct relationship because of all the crude oil stocks involvement, like Exxon Mobil and Chevron, all this, yeah. So this is why I say. But of course, again, if market go into recessionary mode, whereby people get, there's this thing called stagflation, or right, whereby the economy is not doing well, but inflation is around, or then it will be bad news, right? If that will happen, the crude oil price will go up, but the stock market will fall. This is the worst, where it comes to stagflation, yeah, where the economy is not moving much, but the inflation is at the market itself. Okay, so go and play around with it, yeah. Go and play around with it and see whether you understand what I just say, and you will know that this thing sounds quite fun to play. So you understand why am I so bearish on Tesla? Okay, you see here, right? This set A, here's set B, giving it easier for you to view. So you can see the low here and the low here itself. So when I was seeing Tesla and Tesla was rebounding here itself, right? A lot of my friends say, Kel, you can buy Tesla here already, right? Because now, wow, very low, very cheap, and now right rebounding. I say, no, Tesla will fall. And that's why Tesla, ooh, you see, oh my God. Okay, so now, is Tesla getting a bit of bullish? Yes. How come? You see, this one is a KCX, right? But this set here, now this is a lower set here. Do you see Tesla here? You see, this is A and this is B. Can you see that, my friends? B is higher than A. So that's why when Tesla have a CCRY, bang, I went to buy Tesla. KSI green, I went to call for Tesla. I put on Facebook, I put on the group chat to buy Tesla. It's that simple. Easy? You find it easy and to understand this? All right, so a little bit of, you need to be a bit of, where's A and B. But remember, it's just a cluster of KCX at the point. So a cluster means that it's like the green. So if the thing from green turn to black, or green turn to blue, right? So that means this cluster forms itself. It means, example, that means that if you look from right to left, this is one cluster, and this is another cluster. So KCX doesn't mean it must be longest. It's just about a cluster of KCX. Then you look up and find the lowest point of the chart itself. Okay, right? Play around with it. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment box itself in Telegram. I'll be more than happy to share this with you. All clear? Enjoy this session. All right, let me know. I'll be signing off from here. Hope you make your money from the market. This is Kel signing off. Take care and have a wonderful day. All right, bye bye.